Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Today, we are pleased to introduce a new camera from Lumix and to share why this launch is especially meaningful for us this year, as Lumix celebrates its 25th anniversary. Over the past 25 years, we have continuously asked ourselves a very simple question. How can you truly enjoy photography and video? In recent years, through products such as the SY Mark II and the GH7, we have expanded the joy of photo and video creation for those of you who want to engage more deeply with content creation, particularly in the mid to high-end segment. At the same time, when we look back at the origins of Lumix, we are reminded that our history has always included another important perspective. From the very beginning, Lumix has valued compact cameras that allow you to enjoy photography naturally in everyday life. From travel and family moments to small, unplanned scenes of daily life. Being able to capture those moments without pressure, yet with confidence in image quality, has always been a part of who we are. As we reach this 25-year milestone, we asked ourselves once again, what kind of camera makes sense today? And what kind of camera helps you enjoy photography more naturally in your daily life? The camera we are introducing today is our answer. This is the Lumix L10, a premium compact camera designed for those who simply want to enjoy taking photographs as part of everyday life. It represents both a return to Lumix roots and a new step forward. The Lumix L10 features the same 4/3 sensor as the Lumix GH7, combined with our latest generation image processing engine. To fully bring out the potential of the sensor, the lens plays a core role in the camera system, refined with the same care as the body itself. However, the Lumix L10 was not created to compete on specifications. Rather than focusing on numbers, we focused on how the camera feels to use. The ease with which you can pick it up, the pleasure of shooting intuitively, and the sense of becoming fully focused on the act of photography. This experience is what defines the Lumix L10. Let's begin with the design philosophy. The concept behind the Lumix L10 is mushin, which describes a state of being free from unnecessary distraction. Rather than defining a specific visual style, mushin represents an attitude towards photography, one that allows you to focus fully on the moment in front of you. For the Lumix L10, this philosophy takes shape as a camera with a classic presence and a refined form, featuring a textured exterior reminiscent of Saffiano leather, along with a subtle, understated luster of anodized metal. This approach also extends to camera operation. Shooting through the viewfinder, the tactile feel of the shutter, and the precise response of dials and buttons are all designed to support confident and intuitive control in your hands. By balancing simplicity with usability, we aim to create a camera that fits naturally in your everyday life and encourages you to pick it up and enjoy taking photographs more often. The Lumix L10 incorporates the Leica DC Vario Zoomilux f1.7 to 2.8 lens, offering a focal range of 24 to 75 millimeters in 35 millimeter equivalent terms. This lens has been refined over many years alongside the history of Lumix and has quietly earned a strong reputation over time. With 5 aspherical elements, it delivers sharp, natural rendering in a compact design. From wide angle to short telephoto, the lens supports a wide range of shooting situations, from street photos to portraits and close-up macro photography. With the crop zoom function, you can naturally expand your framing flexibility to match the subject and the scene. With this single lens, you can comfortably cover most everyday situations. Color expression plays a major role in how a photograph feels, and it's a key part of the experience we wanted you to enjoy with the Lumix L10. Based on Lumix picture-making philosophy of photographic vitality and beauty, our photo styles are designed to give you pleasing results straight out of the camera. New photo styles includes L Classic and L Classic Gold. L Classic offers soft, restrained tones, while L Classic Gold adds warmth and nostalgic character. In addition, Leica Monochrome allows you to experience the distinctive monochrome look inspired by the Leica's photographic tradition. For many passionate creators in the Lumix community, real-time LUT has already become a favorite part of the shooting experience. It allows you to explore color expression freely and without limitation. Using Lumix Lab, you can easily create your own LUTs and transfer them directly to the camera. With Magic LUT, you simply select an image with your ideal color, and AI will automatically generate a LUT based on it. All these approaches remove the need for heavy post-editing. From the moment you press the shutter, the intended color expression is already reflected in the image. Choosing color is part of the enjoyment of photography itself, making shooting something you genuinely look forward to. Of course, core performance is never compromised. The Lumix L10 uses the latest generation engine, also found in the S1 Mark II series, along with the 26.5 megapixel backside illuminated 4/3 CMOS sensor with effective 20.4 megapixels and high precision phase detection autofocus with advanced subject recognition. Even when you shoot casually, you can expect reliable, high-quality results, giving you confidence in everyday use. Let's sum up the camera. The Lumix L10 was designed to support photography as part of your everyday life. It's a camera you can take anywhere, use spontaneously, and enjoy without overthinking. Our goal was to create a camera that naturally fits into your daily routine and encourages you to enjoy photography more often. The Lumix Lab will evolve into a more powerful tool for everyday photography and video. With supported models, you can now edit raw images directly within the app, giving you greater flexibility in image adjustment and creative control. High-speed wired transfer via USB-C will also be supported, enabling smoother data transfer to your smartphone. You can now also fine-tune elements such as grain, sharpness, and noise reduction for each LUT, allowing you to pursue your own expression more precisely. In addition, slow motion video using 4K 120p and speed ramp effects can be created easily within the app, letting you enjoy both stills and video in a unified workflow. Before we end, we have one more special announcement. On October 27th this year, Lumix officially marks its 25th anniversary. To celebrate this milestone, we are introducing a special model, the Lumix L10 Titanium Gold Edition. From materials and finishes to the smallest details, this model has been carefully crafted with strong attention to quality. The titanium gold body is complemented by dedicated engravings and color details, giving the camera a distinctive presence. This edition also offers the enjoyment of customization. The camera is designed to support screw-in shutter release buttons, allowing you to customize your shooting experience. It features a titanium gold-themed menu design and comes with exclusive accessories, including a titanium-colored auto lens cap, a leather strap, and a lens cloth. Over time, as you make it your own, the camera will gradually become more familiar in your hands. The Titanium Gold Edition will be available through limited channels, primarily the official Panasonic store, with availability varying by region. We hope to deliver this model to those of you who resonate with its philosophy and craftsmanship, and that it becomes a meaningful part of your photographic journey. Thank you very much for joining us today. Over the past 25 years, Lumix has shared many moments of creative enjoyment, not only in the moment of capturing, but also in reflecting on what you've created, refining your techniques, and looking ahead to the next moment to capture. We hope these experiences will continue to grow alongside your creativity. Thank you.